this bowl, because I want to wash. There's two types of way I want to use to wash this bitter leaf. This one is going to be with potash, or what they call akango, and this is going to be with just hand. This is more like a Cameroon style of washing bitter leaf, and this one is going to be like a Nigerian style, because I want two different types of bitter leaf. I want to cook ndole, which is Cameroon delicacy, and I want to use it to cook bitter leaf soup or easy egusi soup. So I'm going to wash it differently, so I'll be separating it into two bowl or container.
Abba Father, you let me you every day and night. You did bless me on a regular.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing great myself. If you saw my video on bitter leaf hunting, and this is where I got the bitter leaf from. I will use this bitter leaf to cook ndole. It's a kind of bitter leaf soup, but it's being cooked with peanut, you know. So, and the way we wash the bitter leaf for the ndole recipe is very different. So that's why I had to separate it, and I'm going to show you how I wash my ndole. All right, my bitter leaf for ndole. We need potash. Let me show you what is potash. We need potash, akango, and hot water to wash it. Alright, this is what we need to wash it. It gives it this green color, and also if you want your bitter leaf to look green and fresh, you can use potash in washing it. The only thing is that you need to be able to drink the water because it is already contaminated with the potash, or what we call akango in Cameroon. So guys, yeah, let's start doing this. You can slide it very tiny. It will be very nice. Once the water is boiling, guys, I'll add in akango into the water. the potash, the kango. This is this green color, and stir it. This bitter leaf is very bitter. God of Abraham. How am I going to cope with this bitter leaf? I don't want to cook it too much so it doesn't become too soft. So make sure you're careful. Exactly 5 minutes. So that it is very strong. I guess it's ready. I'll just off the gas and continue washing it. I'm just going to strain that and then start washing. See, still very bitter. You have to wash it like this, like 2 or 3 times. And while you're washing, you'll be testing it. Because when you're cooking dole, you don't have to be bitter. Even if you like it bitter, you have to be bitter just a little bit. Not like really bitter. Going to rinse it. I have to wash it again. Until when I see that it's less foamy, then I can start having hopes. guess I'm good to go, guys. Good to go. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. As you can see, the bitter leaf is very green and fresh, and it's not bitter at all. So it's ready for my dole. This is how you can also use this method to wash your bitter leaf if you want to use it for a goosey soup, or you want to use it for onubu soup. The only thing with this method is that the water, you cannot drink it, but when you wash it without actually cooking it and using potash, the water, you can drink it, and the water is very medicinal. So that's the only difference. But if you want your bitter leaf to look green and fresh, you can use this method. I hope that this video was helpful, guys, and please do not leave without giving this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to share, because it's absolutely free of charge, guys. You don't have to spend any dime to share this video. As you do so, God bless you. And of course, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do not leave without hitting that subscribe button. And as you do so, God will bless you. I'll see you again in my next video. So have a great day. Bye.